Hey everyone, Ed here tonight at the Menor Roll House. It's bowling night. And Michelle is about to shoot her spare. And that guy got in the way. Mayberry. Ooh, that's brutal. Nick Mayberry. What are you doing all right over here, Michelle?
Yeah, I had a bad slip, but I'm having a good time tonight. I'm Friday night bowling.
We missed a few weeks of bowling because of work. Is it good to get back in the swing of things?
Oh, absolutely. It's good to see all our good friends here tonight.
All right. Here's a good story over here. Shelly never bowled before this year, and she's been struggling. But this game, she's already got 2 spares in the first frame. And she almost had that one. But she's stuck with it, folks. She did not quit on the league. Very proud of her. Brian Birdsong. Good job. Here marks Brian Sloan, normally a right-handed bowler. He has suffered an elbow injury, so now he's going to attempt to bowl left-handed. He has been struggling tonight, but let's see what he can do left-handed. Okay, that did not go well for Brian. All right. At least he's trying though, folks. He's trying. If Doug here can strike out, he could get a 279 game. Nice. Nice game. Okay, first game is in the bag, and we got kicked. They really bowled good, and we didn't. So that's what happens. But game 2 is going, and I've already got a strike and a spare going. I could not get away from the 10 pins in the first game. It was brutal. So anyway, talk to you later. 5th frame, Nick Mayberry. He's got 4 in a row working in game number 2. Good job, Nick. Hey, he hit the pins this time. Brian Birdsong Shaw. Oh, tough break for Brian. Michelle in the 10th frame. She gets the strike. All right. I almost didn't get that one camera going on time there for that one. Good thing I caught it. Okay, if Nick Mayberry could strike out, he could get a 279, and he needs it because Doug Terry had a 279 in the first game. So every shot is critical right now. Well, there's the first one. Good job. We needed that. And we are down by 17 pins. The other team is done. So another strike here would kind of be important for the game too. See if he can give himself a chance. Out of loft on that one. And he carries it. Good job. Okay, here's the story. We are down by 7 pins. We need at least 8 to win this game. And he needs to strike to get a 279. Out of loft, looking good. Hit it, yeah! All right. Good job. Nick Mayberry in the clutch. Okay, game 2 is in the bag, and because of Nick Mayberry, we won the second game. And I even bowled a little bit better myself, but it was Nick Mayberry that was definitely the star of that game. 279. Very, very cool. And Haber, he's got 3 in a row working. Hit it. Oh. John Birdsong. Oh. Nick Mayberry's up to his old tricks again. He's already got 2 in a row in the third game. Let's see if he can keep it going. Whoa. He is human, everyone. He is human. Doug Terry. Oh, tough lead. Dave Sauerteig working on 4 in a row here. And he gets it. 5 in a row. Yeah. Brian Sloan has 3 strikes in a row. Actually, he had 3 strikes in a row. Bowling left-handed, and then he got a 3 count. This time, can he make the spare? He gets the spare. Lefty. Brian Sloan, left-handed. He's in the zone, folks. He's in the zone. Jeff Stanovich for a 211 if he gets a strike here. Come on, Jeff. Hit it. Oh, 210. Nice game. Nick Mayberry. Nick has already bowled a 228 and a 279. And if he can strike out here, he could have 236. He needs the next one here. All right, he's got a shot at it. Good place to put it. 234. Nice game. Nice series. Nick Mayberry. Okay, we ended up winning the last game. We did not take total, but again, it was all about Nick Mayberry tonight, and it was a good night of bowling. And I just wanted to say thank you to you guys for watching the channel. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button. And if you're new, please hit that subscribe button so that you could be kept in the loop every time we have a video that comes out. Thanks again for watching The Great Indoors with Ed and Michelle. Have a great indoors night. Bye.